Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a thumbnail for the short videos. Here you can go and type chatgpt.com. Then after that you can create a free account. So now to create a thumbnail, simply you can go here and select this option, create an image. So also you can just directly type create viral thumbnail 9:16 aspect ratio. Video title is Zinger Burger. Then after that press enter. Now it has started working on it. So here you can see a professional and eye-catching thumbnail is ready. So sometimes if it does not change the dimensions here, then simply you can go and select these. Okay, this one is for the short videos and this one is for the long videos. After that just you need to go and then click this button to save this thumbnail. So if you want to change this thumbnail on the laptop, then you will not able to do that. For example, this one is the short video, and now if I try to change the thumbnail, then here you can see it says I need to use mobile phone to change the thumbnail.